It says it back there. I'm filming this.
9,
8,
7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
4,
Blast off!
ignition.
All right, lift off.
Where is it? I can hear it, but I can't see it.
Lift it up there. You'll see it down there.
Sit down where?
Down that aisle.
Little nice and
There it
bright.
is,
There it
there it
comes.
is.
Oh, that's it. That's it right there.
See it?
Elliot,
See
see
it,
it?
I don't
See the rocket in the
Mike, you see?
Right there, right there. Oh, it's so bright.
See it,
I
Gretchen?
don't see it.
See the fire going up, Mike?
See it?
That little
Yeah.
yellow
See it,
thing.
Gretchen?
Fire, yeah, that's the rocket.
Oh, I see it.
Oh my gosh, that was brighter than last
See
year.
it? See
It's
Gretchen?
brighter. Yeah. Does it have stripes on it?
James, James, go in on it. Rocket. Closer.
Wow, that is really
Upstairs. Hey, she's talking about zooming the camera. Want to get down now, Mike?
Oh,
Yes?
you're all
Yeah.
wet.
No.
Yeah,
Only
come on.
feet
Get out of there.
Get out of it. That's grimy. That's where the
Get
snakes
out of
go.
there.
That's where water snakes go.
Yeah,
That is awesome.
I know, but
That
we'll
is
get you
awesome,
in.
right, Gretchen? See the rocket ship?
Boy, that's so clear.
Do you remember last year? It wasn't so
We're
clear at all.
going on
Oh,
a trip.
look at that. Oh wow, you can really see the rocket.
It's heading to a star.
Little
Einstein.
Wow,
That's awesome.
that is awesome.
Say what? Wave to it.
What's that thing saying?
Going up to outer space. Is it going up to outer space?
Who cares?
Listen,
What?
I want to hear that.
Who cares about it? It lift off.
Dad, let's go play the balloon game.
Hold on, right after this rocket goes to outer space. That's it. First say shutdown.
Only when I don't see it. Okay. 5, 4,
Still see it.
3, 2, 0.
Oh,
Now we can go get it.
That's cool.
that's awesome.
Cool.
Yeah, let's go back and play
Really
the
cool.
balloon.
That's a good one.
There it is, James. There it is.
It'll come out of the cloud.
See it?
Yeah, there it is.
Second edition.
Second edition.
Blow up. I've seen that before.
Yeah, me either. That's. What is it saying?
See it dropping down?
Yeah.
You're gonna land that on a barge.